Hey everybody, my name is Niku and welcome to the Trading Setup channel. So you just closed your third losing order in a row and instead of stopping, you open a fourth one with double the lot size. Sound familiar? That's tilt and it will blow an account faster than a failed strategy. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the first signs of tilt that most traders ignore, and I'm going to show you the mechanics of how emotions impact your decision making. Most importantly, I'm going to give you a clear set of rules for when to only close the terminal and simply walk away. Make sure you watch this until the end, because the ability to stop in time is what separates traders from blown accounts. Impulsive increase of position size after a loss. The first and most obvious sign, you start trying to recover losses. Instead of your usual 0.01 lot, you go 0.02 and then 0.05. The logic behind it is simple. I need to recover what I've lost quick. But the market doesn't care about your desire to recover. Increasing your lot sizes based on emotions is the quickest way to a margin call. When you find yourself reaching to increase the volume after a loss, it's a sign to stop immediately. Number 2, ignoring your own entry rules. You see a setup, but it doesn't quite meet the criteria, but you think it's close enough, it will do, and you open a position. Or even worse, you open a position without a signal because you feel the movement. That's no longer trading, that's gambling. When you feel yourself breaking your own entry rules, it's time to close the terminal. Number 3, physical symptoms of stress. Rapid heartbeats when you open a position, sweaty palms, stiff neck and shoulders, inability to walk away from the screen for 5 minutes. Your body is shouting at you, you're out of resources, but you're ignoring it and continue trading. In this state, the prefrontal cortex, that part of the brain that governs rational decision making, works in a diminished capacity. You literally become dumber from stress. Number 4, a rapid series of entries and exits. You open up a position, only to close it a minute later for a loss, and immediately you open another position in the opposite direction, and you close that again as well. And on you go, 5-10 times in a row. This is no longer market analysis. You are panic reacting to every price movement. Spreads and commissions will eat up your deposits, even if the losses are small. If you've taken more than 3 trades in the last 30 minutes, it's time to take a break. By the way, I've created a free resource base. It's a compact digest with proven setups and backtesting results, with detailed instructions on indicator setups, with quick interpretations of macroeconomic news, with practical manuals on how to calculate risk when using martingale to minimize risk of deposit loss. All of this in one place. Links in the description of the video. There's also promo codes for deposit bonuses with partner platforms. Have a look, take it, use it. Just remember, I update the content regularly, so grab it while it's there. Number 5, anger at the market and looking for someone to blame. Those manipulators again. The broker painted the candle. The news was released against me. When you start looking for enemies instead of analyzing mistakes, you're in tilt. The market is not against you. It doesn't even know you exist. But when you're in a state of tilt, you take everything personally. This is a childish reaction. With this mindset, you won't get anywhere with the market. Number 6, trading out of spite against the market. The price is going up and you're stubbornly short. It has to reverse soon. It can't go up forever. Meanwhile, you are adding to losses, averaging down and holding until the last moment. This is no longer trading. It's a war against the market. Spoiler, in this war, the market always wins. So what can we do about this? First, set a very strict rule. 3 losses in a row, you're done trading for the day. Second, do a condition checklist. Pulse, breathing, body tension. Not normal, don't trade. Nobody has ever been profitable trading in a distressed state. Thirdly, switch physically. Step away from the computer. Do 20 squats, take a shower. Anything to release emotional buildup. Lastly, keep a trading journal. Write down what you feel before and after each trade. And in a month's time, you'll start seeing patterns. If you want to learn how to professionally manage trading psychology, control your emotions, and trade like a robot, message me personally. I have a private traders community on Telegram. There, we not only analyze technical analysis, but also the psychological aspects of trading. Weekly sessions on dealing with tilts, analyzing participants' emotional breakdowns, and quick techniques for recovering after losses. I select everybody individually. I care more about the quality of the group than the quantity. Instructions and contacts are in the description below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We do regular videos on trading psychology and the control of emotions. Remember, tilt wipes more accounts than bad strategies. If you can learn to stop in time, you'll already surpass 80% of traders. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, may the pips be with you.